video, I'll be sharing with you 5 tips on how to use essential oil for skin enhancement. If you have been looking for easy, affordable and natural ways to enhance your skin, you are in the right place. Please don't be in a haste to leave, as all your questions will be answered in this video. First, I would like to start by giving you a little background knowledge of what essential oils are. Essential oils are volatile oil extracted from the plants, such as clove oil, rosemary oil, etc. But the problem is most essential oil you see out there are not really 100% essential oil, because the producers of those oil usually dilute it to be safe for usage. The producers of all the essential oil usually give prescription of how many drop of essential oil to be used in diluting your essential oil into your carrier oil. So we are going to be focusing on carrier oil. Those are the diluted one, since we are talking about skin. Yeah, because you can't use essential oil directly to your skin. It can give you irritation or burns. Here are 5 tips you can implement to enhance your skin using essential oil. Tip number 1, apply essential oil on a damp skin. Most people make mistake of applying it when their skin is totally dry. That will not give them maximum results of the usage. Putting it on a dry skin will limit the potential of the oil. That is why applying it on a damp skin is the best thing you can do for yourself and your essential oil. Applying it on a damp skin will give you maximum result. Tip number 2, if you use your essential oil with other creams, apply it first before you apply the other cream. It should be the base of everything you are applying to your skin, because it is protective in nature. When you mix it with other oil, you are not only reducing the potential of that essential oil, but you are equally creating a chemical reaction between that oil and your cream, which will limit the potential of your essential oil. The reason why you should apply it to your skin first is because it contains protective properties. It protects you from free radicals, from the harmful content of your cream. Tip number 3, use sunscreen essential oil. These are essential oil that contain UV ray protection. They shield and protect your skin from harmful rays of the sun. These oils are carrot oil, avocado oil, moringa oil, etc. This sunscreen protection essential oil should be applied during the day. Tip number 4, deep moisturizing. If you have a dry skin, then essential oil with deep moisturizing effect will do the trick for you. These essential oils are avocado oil, moringa oil, and orange oil. The way to use it to maximize your moisturizing effect is, by the time you want to take your bath, put a few drops your essential oil in your bath. Have your bath, so you massage it generously and smoothly onto your skin so that it will give you a better result. Tip number 5, use essential oil that have photosensitive properties at night. These oils are better used in the night, because if you use them in the daytime, they are capable of making you to get darker instead of getting brighter. For me, I tag them as the lightening oil. So using them at night will actually help you to maximize the potential of the oil. It is better used before the bedtime. Avoid using photosensitive essential oil during the day, because it attracts sun rays to your skin. That can cause irritation. Generally, essential oil that contain photosensitive effects are better used before bedtime. They equally have a very sweet smell, so that will not be a problem. These oils are lemon oil, mint leaf, sometimes orange oil too. Bonus tips: if your face is prone to breakout from acne, then you should ensure to use essential oil that are rich in vitamin C and are equally lightweight. Some of these essential oil are grapefruit oil, orange oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, and many more videos to come about the importance of essential oil, how to use essential oil during pregnancy for stretch marks, etc. So please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the notification bell to get updates on every tips I will share with you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.